drunk one?
Well, here we are again in the van. We have Sam with us again, back here in the back.
Hey.
And we also have Batman.
I'm Batman.
And yesterday we were at Wyndham Calder's camp up in Living Waters. And me and Jeremy here, we thought it'd be a great idea to jump in this little pedal boat and pedal out to this island.
Turned out not to be a great idea.
Yeah, everybody else was canoeing out there. Jeremy, you want to tell them a little bit about what happened?
Those are totally kayaks.
Okay.
Everyone was going like 5 times as fast as we were, so they were at the island for like 20 minutes, and we just got halfway out. And when we are halfway out, our little pedal boat just started filling up with water.
And then us who were at the island saw them waving their hands.
Yeah, we were like
We
calling
thought they
for
were
help
waving,
for like
just
10
saying hi.
minutes, and they just wouldn't come.
Yeah, they were leaving us. It was close. Like literally the entire front sections where our feet go were full of water, and so we were both kind of leaning back and trying to
shovel out water.
And I leaned forward to shove out water, and it shifted so much weight to the front that it just started coming in more, and so it was just a bad situation. But we were able to get pulled back in by our guys, and so that was great.
Bonding moment.
Good bonding. And then we went on and we did some lunch at the camp. We had lunch at the camp, and afterwards we decided to sing.
Hi, Andrew.
And oh yeah, this is the other van. We're just waiting here at Walmart.
Get a picture of me right now being mad.
Well, you're actually on video. This is our our weekly update. Actually, it's our daily update. But anyways, so we got asked to sing a song, and we were singing an acapella song. And then we did it, and then all of a sudden, this is the first time it ever happened to us, guys. Tell them what happened.
We got asked for an encore.
Encore.
It was great. It was one of those defining moments of my life where I can now say I've been asked to do an encore.
So many old ladies
Cross that off
told
the
us
bucket
how
list.
beautiful we sounded.
Yes, it was great.
We got asked if we had a CD.
Or if we were on iTunes. So it was pretty cool. It's a neat experience. But we're getting ready to go to the lighthouse.
We're not on iTunes?
Not yet.
Why not?
We're working.
I'm working on
the
it, Sam.
record deal.
Okay, I can only do so much at one time. But
Bryce is busy, man.
yeah,
He really
so
is.
we're working on it. Don't forget, if you haven't followed us, I'm not sure how you found us, but if you haven't start following us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We're on all three. Instagram and Twitter is WOL, that's WOL Impact, and then Facebook is Word of Life Impact Team, or facebook.com/The Impact Team. But thank you for your support. We'll let you know what happens at the lighthouse that we're going to here soon. So hopefully something funny will come out of it.
It's a lighthouse. Something's gonna happen.
Yeah, it'll probably light up our day. Anyway, have a great guy.